Alright YouTube, this is going to be one of the nicest 1996 Toyota Corollas you have ever seen outside of a showroom. This vehicle has been completely gone through. It has new brakes, new pistons, a rebuilt top end, new rod bearings, a new water pump, new starter, a replacement battery, fresh tune-up, a new radiator. Everything under the hood has been gone through, everything, all the way down to the cylinders. It has very hard to find, in fact you won't be able to find, hubcaps with authentic Toyota emblems in them. I had to add those emblems. The interior is absolutely immaculate. This is a one-owner vehicle. I'm the second owner, and I'm flipping this vehicle. I rebuilt the engine, every detail. The interior is clean. This is a rare model. It's a 1.8 liter DX four-door sedan, but what's different about this one is it has the wood trim inside and it has the back seats that let down. Most sedans don't have that feature. I'll show you. Look at that. The back seats go down. All of the interior upholstery is like new. We'll make this seat go down too. All of the electrical components are stock. They didn't even change the stereo. The stereo is the original that came with the vehicle when it was new, purchased by the original owner off the showroom floor. And it actually sounds pretty good, but it's a cassette. So I don't know if you want that, but you can change that at your discretion. Okay, so we've seen all of the niceties. We're going to close everything up after I start it up again. I'm going to start it up and let you hear this beautiful machine run like a sewing machine. And it's not, I haven't pre-warmed it. See this? It's not hot. So we're starting up cold and you can hear how it works. Now it has 125, almost 125,000 miles on the original chassis. However, if you look at the other mileage, that's the actual miles on the new engine. 136 miles. That is what's on the new engine. Let's have a listen. Yeah, little old radio still works pretty good. Fires right up. Let's listen to this. Well, we'll listen to that when we come back. Let's check out this smooth running engine. This is selling for $42.50. The price is firm. If you know anything about Toyota Corollas, especially the 94, 95, 96 year model, you know that this car will last 300,000 miles. I am not going to budge on the price. Please do not waste your time asking. Do not waste my time asking. The answer is no. The price is fair. The price is firm. Put a lot of work into this vehicle to get it to be immaculate, and immaculate is what it is. Here's it has a spare tire. It's even painted under here. Jeez. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's held down by this little thing. Okay, well the spare tires are under there and the tools are in here. Look at that, no smoke, no nothing. It's just smooth running, quiet, immaculate. So you're basically getting a new car. Everything's new almost from the interior, in new condition from the interior to the suspension, to I put new brake pads on it, new tires, new engine, transmission fluid has been changed, oil has been changed, tune-up has been done, fuel injectors have been cleaned, everything has been gone through. This engine, body, suspension, interior, all are in almost like new condition. The paint has a few problems. It's in really good condition, but there's a couple of little dings. I think she backed into something here on this right corner, so there's a little bit of a buckle right here. Can you see that? So that's one issue. The other issue is on the hood. The other main issue that's big enough to really notice is up here on the hood. There's a scratch and a dent. So here's the scratch. You want to see that? There's a scratch right here, and there's a dent right there. There's a dent, I think a rock hit her. Those are the worst and the most damage this vehicle has sustained. So it's not a salvage title that's been fixed, or somebody wrecked it and didn't salvage and fix it. This car has not been repaired outside of those two areas that I showed. The only other area that is slightly damaged is the headliner. There's two little hole areas. I'll show you those now. Headliner, here's one. I don't know if you can see that little hole right there. There's a hole right there on the right side, and also on the driver's side by the handle. There is a hole right up here by the handle on the driver's side. Other than that, everything else looks good. Let me know if you want it. It won't last long. As I promised, close everything up so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna do a 360 on it. It's forest green, in case the color's not coming through. It's not black, it's forest green. So if you need a nice commuter car, or you want to put your daughter in a car that's reliable and will last and have no problems, here you go. 1996 Toyota Corolla, $4,250. Call me.